Mercedes-Benz Trucks offers an exclusive range of service contracts that keep your truck in top form. We offer a wide range of modular service contracts, providing basic maintenance to full coverage of your vehicle, allowing for individual customization of service range with a monthly rate, regardless of how much you drive each month. Securing operational readiness for your trucks and financial predictability is the core of our service contract, all designed to save you time and effort. In our authorized Mercedes-Benz Trucks workshops, we use Mercedes-Benz Trucks genuine parts to ensure the preservation of your truck's value. Regular maintenance and necessary repairs enhance the reliability and performance of your fleet. Benefit from our dense service network across the world. Rely on a Mercedes-Benz Trucks service contract. Ask your dealer for more information on Mercedes-Benz Trucks ServiceContracts.
Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.